Hello, and nice to have you here again at the new video or at the current video that I'm recording on my 3D part of my YouTube account. From the title you have already seen, and from the first or from the title picture you have already seen what I'm doing. To speak overall, I adjusted my daily schedule a bit. Since I still have a lot of stuff to do every day, I thought, okay, how can I fit everything in? And I decided to start my day with a little bit of creativity. So basically, every day I start with an hour on Hexagon, which I will record. This was made from Monday to Wednesday this week. Each day a little bit. You will see the cuts. Yeah, I just marked the cuts for you. Yeah. What you will notice is that I left most of the breaks in between, because sometimes I just took a break, sometimes I wrote with someone on Discord, sometimes I just checked on stuff in the background, like in a few seconds, right now, because I was just thinking this is part of the process, and why cut it away, why not show you? It's not really much to see in the breaks. For example, the first break that you will see in a bit, or that you saw earlier, it's actually only 1/8 of the time I took for the break, yeah, because I was thinking, okay, wait, at the point I was short. I did this exactly before, and I watched or looked at my latest works, and it was basically the same as the Bullet Witch revamp. So I thought, okay, no, I got to take a step back, look at it from some distance, and take a new path, which I did. I looked into my folder of inspirational stuff, like just pictures where I think, okay, I want to do this, or I want to take inspiration on that at some point. And yeah, decided, okay, I'm going another route with this, I'm going another way with this. So I just redid some of it, as you can see, and decided to go another way. So this is the base shirt that I made here, with the sleeves on both sides, and we're already almost at the first cut, where I just said, okay, I've worked an hour on this, I'm okay with it. Let's see what I can come up with tomorrow. Yeah, and yeah, this is the next day. This was yesterday, where I looked again at my inspiration, said, okay, I want to do, let's try around with it. How can I make it more fluffy? How can I make it more detailed? And I just played around with it a bit, and started to add the first details. So the overall edge, so that I have a visible, stable outline for the whole thing. And yeah, here come the first details. Again, with a simple ring. And this is going to be a kind of button. Yeah, so far with the button, had a little break there, obviously. Then put the textures on it. As you can see, I'm taking the standard textures. I'm not making custom textures for it, but just taking the standard stuff. Yeah, still a little bit copy, but nothing bad. Yeah. So there are 3 buttons on each side, which will be connected by a chain. I think I did this. Yes, I did this yesterday, and that is by now you can see I have a base chain link that I use as a standard prop. And then I went and added the chain links in, which took a good amount of time. I actually went a little bit over the 1 hour at the second day, but I just said, okay, good, if I have a little bit more time today, I can do a little bit less tomorrow, because there's not this much missing. So I went ahead and did that, and today I just took about, I think, 30 minutes to finish it, so it's like 2.5 hours, I think, overall, which is mathematically impossible, because then I would have more than 11 minutes or more than 12 minutes with 8 times the speed. So gotta see what's weird here. I didn't work just 90 minutes on this. Oh yes, right. I think I accidentally stopped one recording, and then yeah, I think I stopped at one break, I think. But yeah, that's not that problematic. Yeah, so I copy pasted the chain and put it on the second row of buttons, and yeah, just did that with the third one. If you see it on the left side of the object, so right side of the screen, the lowest thing was the lowest chain was a little bit clippy, so I redid this actually on the last part, or after I finished the video I redid this, so there's also some of the time I spent on this hidden, as well as implementing it in Death 3D. Oh my god. Yeah. I also took 2 takes on the bow. This is the first one where I just was let's do this quick, let's do this a little bit crumbly, and I just said, okay, no, I'm not delivering this. This looks just awful. This is yeah, I'm not going to show anyone this. Also, not the finished version. So yeah, as you can see, I don't know what this is, but it's not a bow. So just. I mean, I tried. Wanted to see how it looks, how it works, and it's just said, okay, this isn't working. This isn't what I want. So played a little around with it, saw what happened, and if I could fix it easily, and I said, no, okay, I'm not gonna do this. Let's restart the bow. So the bow is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. The base bow that goes not around the neck but around the neck. The center of the whole thing basically the knot, only that I didn't do complete knot, but instead, yeah, I don't want to say cheated around, but cheated around. Then there's the bow, one of them. I think it's the bow part of the bow. I'm not sure. What is it called? I don't know. So we have the first one, then there's the string thing where the the bow ends. I don't know. I'm sorry. Not enough English. So then I colored both of them, or textured both of them actually. That's the bow, that's the string, and then I mirrored them to the other side. Alright, no, I decided to put the same or to share texture for all parts of the bow, simply because it's so much easier to just have one texture than have 4 or 6 for something I will definitely color monochrome. So yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Check the finished version at the end, and see you around, guys.